Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alan Marks. We're going to be doing short videos on basic carpentry joinery. We're also going to be doing some tool reviews, some unbiased tool reviews. I hope you're going to come and join us. We're going to put some things on there for basic carpentry, or carpentry and joinery. It's going to be just some information, some easy ways of doing things. If you're starting off and you want something new to do, I'll show you how to do it. We're going to probably go into a little bit more advanced, get into some more difficult jobs that will give you an idea on how I do things. Not saying it's all right and it's all textbook stuff, but at the end of the day, the information's there. Take it, use it, adapt it, however you want to do it. We're going to be using primarily hand tools, but there will be some things that I'll show you on some of the machines. Try and keep it to a sort of sensible level with you, but there'll be machines and jig work. Hope you come and join us. Hope you enjoy what you're going to see. Thank you. See you soon.